Hey y'all, welcome to the first hair video on my new hair page. So basically I do my hair a lot and I thought I might as well just come on a separate channel and show y'all, you know. So that's the braiding hair I'm using right there, 16-inch color 1. My beads are so cute. They say I love Jesus, cause yeah, period. I'm also using a comb, and that product I use right there, it gets greasy too quick, so I switched to the all day locks gel. I believe that's the name of it. If it's not, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video, but I am gonna pop in a little bit and tell y'all what I'm doing. Right now I'm just parting out the little section so I can get it started. Like, these are really the essential parting. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch. As y'all can see, I sectioned off my edges right there and I just tied them in rubber bands, but I am applying the gel, whatever, to these parts. Y'all can see that I'm putting it because the first braid is going over that way. I don't know if I'm explaining that too well, but y'all can see what I'm doing. I think y'all can understand what I mean when I say that's why I put the gel right there.
NT, you made this?
So that's how the braid is looking, real neat, real crisp. So I'm gonna start on the next braid, and I don't really know how to describe this pattern, but like the braids, the partings kind of like overlap each other in a sense. section finished. Y'all can see that little braid in the middle is kind of look a little funny, but oh well, we just gonna keep going. I'm starting on the other side now.
NT, you made this?
This side of my hair really was giving me like an issue. Like the braid was coming out looking janky, all types of stuff. It really was getting on my last nerve, but I still made it through. Y'all might be able to see some little spots that look a little iffy, but for the most part, you know, it's still all clean and crisp and came together good enough. Ended up dying, so the next couple of clips will kind of be this type of quality. I did try to use my phone light, but it wasn't all that great.
NT, you made this?
I caught myself trying to do this little design that I just thought of in my head. Like I didn't look up no inspo for this, I just was freestyling. But basically it was supposed to be like a little curved braid. I don't know. It came all together in the end, but yeah. Finally, after about 2 hours of braiding, I finally finished my whole entire head. So this was look like. I'm just giving y'all 360 of like my entire head. The one braid in the middle, really those two could have been a little bigger, but like I said, at some point it's just like, oh well, and it didn't look too bad. But anyways, I had to end up going to the hair store again to get some more beads because I knew that wasn't going to be enough because it was 90 beads. I have 25 braids. I wanted at least 7 beads on each braid, so yeah, that wasn't going to cut it. Then I put the beads into a container and just randomly picked out 7 of them and just put it on, like, you know, no specific order for any of the braids. I'm now tying the little rubber band around. I'm gonna cut off the excess, and then it's gonna be that. And then I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do the next little couple braids.
NT, you made this?
Finishing touches with the edges. I didn't show y'all all of me doing my edges because I have a video coming out after this one on my edges. But yeah, this is the finishing look. I feel like it was so tea. Like, I really liked it. I was a little scared at first. I know how it be when y'all be doing y'all hair. At first it'd be like, eh. But when it come out at the end, yeah, it'd be tea. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those little bells on so y'all can see when I post my next video. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye.